So this will be a quick video demo to show you how to configure your Islandora instance to add derived files to existing media. There's only a few steps necessary to configure the automatic addition of derived files. And in this example, I'm going to add a service file to an image media. So this will allow a single repository node to have multiple image media, each of which in their own service file. So the first thing we have to do is configure our media to accept the incoming file. So we're going to go to Structure, Media Types. Now you can see here I've created a new media for demo purposes. So we're going to edit that, Manage Fields, and we're going to add a field to this. And the field will be of the file type. And we're just going to call it File for Demo. Save. Configure. And because this is a derived service file, we're going to want JPEGs. So that's all the modifications you have to do to your media type. Now we're going to add an action, and we're going to do that. We're going to Configuration, System, Actions. And we're going to select from this drop-down list, and we want to generate an image derivative for media attachment. Create. We're going to call this label Image Attachment Demo. And you can see that most of the choices have been made for us here already. So we already have the queue name. This is the queue that we fire off to the microservice. It is an event type of generate derivative, and all we have to do now is give it a destination field name. And you can see here that we have only the file fields which are available are being shown. We have a field file for demo, which is the one we just created. So we'll add that. We don't want any additional arguments. And we save it. So we have defined the field on the action to relate back to the field on the media that we just created. And the final step is to create a context to make all this happen. So here we go to Structure, Context, Add Context, part of the Islandora group. We save it. Now we have to add a condition. And the condition we're going to pick for this demo is just entity bundle. And it will select of the from the available, and we have demo media, which you've created just now. We're going to select the media value from the URL. We're going to add a reaction, and the reaction type we want is derived file for existing media. And this will give us all the available ones. And you can see that we have just created the image attachment demo. So we're going to add that. It's been saved. We go back to content. We have a demo repository item which has no media. We're going to add a media of the demo media type. We're going to give it we will choose our image. So we've given it a name, we've given it an alternative text. And you can see that there is space on this menu to receive the file for demo, and that we're leaving blank. So we save it, and when we edit that demo image, we can see we have the file for the demo, which has been created for us automatically and stored. So that's all there is to add files, and you can add as many as you like. You can add FITS files, you can add other service files, you can derive OCR, anything you can do with an action, you can attach as a file.